2023 Toyota gr86 price, release date, specs. Its 2023 model Toyota gr86 is a brand new model that ushers into the next generation of Toyota's junior sports coupe. It has been redesigned both inside and outside. The brand new gr86 also receives a larger 2.4-liter engine with 18% more power and an increase of 11% in torque. The new engine makes it more potent than its predecessor. Toyota also revamped the chassis, which technically carried the same design and made the structure more stable than before. On the inside, the model features an upgraded touchscreen, driver-specific display, and upgraded seating. It's made available with two versions to be available for 2023, it is the gr86 and gr86 Premium. 2023 Toyota gr86 redesign. Exterior and interior design. Toyota has adopted an innovative approach to the 2023 Toyota gr86 design, and there's nothing to be unhappy about. It's always been an unpretentious, driver-centric coupe, and the design conveys the message. The functional vents enhance steering stability, while the integrated front fender and rocker molding improve aerodynamics. The model hasn't grown significantly compared to the predecessor, so it has a similarly slim design. In the base version, alloy wheels of 17 inches with LED headlights and DRLs and tail lights that are all LED and a chrome-tipped dual exhaust and GR badges are the standards. The Premium includes a distinct duckbill rear spoiler, adjustable front lighting, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Both models have a distinctive G-mesh front grille that is exclusive to this model. gr86. Regarding dimensions, the 2023 Toyota gr86 isn't that different from the model it replaced. It's 1.2 inches bigger, and the wheelbase has increased by 0.2 inches and is also a little larger than the previous. So it's not identical to the previous generation model, but it's not as tall either. The new model is 167.9 inches long, 69.9 inches wide, stands 51.6 inches tall, and comes with a 101.4-inch wheelbase. The lightest version is the manual version that weighs 2,811 pounds. This is an increase of 35 pounds over the prior model. On the other end of the scale, the gr86 weighs 2,868 pounds when fitted with the automatic transmission. The latest Toyota gr86 once again has a clean and driver-oriented interior. It's not the most luxurious. However, everything is well screwed together, which is typical of Toyota. There's a 7-inch multifunction display in front of the driver. When Sport Mode, automatic only, is activated, the red ring illuminates over the speedometer. When the track mode is activated, the display shifts to make the speed range more noticeable. Even the automatic model comes with a shift lever that appears similar to a manual's gear shifter. Space utilization is excellent so long as you don't have to climb into the back seat. As a standard, you can expect features such as dual-zone climate control, sport bucket seats, and an 8-inch touchscreen. The Premium trim features synthetic leather for the door panels along with sport pedals made of aluminum. 2023 Toyota gr86 engine. The engine in the earlier Toyota 86 was the only significant criticism against the car. It was not able to produce enough power to match the car's stunning performance. Thankfully, the situation has improved with the 2023 Toyota gr86, which now generates 228 horsepower and 184 pounds of torque through its bigger 2.4-liter engine that is naturally aspirated. Engine. Like before, power is transferred through the rear axles. With the manual gearbox, this gr86 can accelerate from 60 to 0 speed with 6.1 seconds, compared to 7 seconds on the old model. If you opt for the automatic option, the sprint will take 6.6 seconds, which is an impressive improvement over the previous model's 8 seconds. The maximum speed is anticipated to be around 140 miles per hour. It's mechanically similar to the Subaru BRZ should post identical performance numbers. However, it appears that the Mazda MX-5 is a little more efficient as per independent tests. The brand new gr86 is a car that will not blow your mind by performing straight lines, however, the improvements are appreciated. 2023 Toyota gr86 release date and price. The exact cost that will be charged for 2023's Toyota gr86 remains unknown since Toyota has not yet announced the numbers. However, the company has stated that it will launch at a price of less than $30,000. This is in the US. The final cost will be announced before the car is available at local dealerships beginning in November 2021.